Every trader is going to have different areas of their game they need to focus on to round out their trading operation. These are the 5 most important character traits, in my opinion, that you need. Number 1 is flexibility. And note these are not in any particular order. So as a trader, we get new information every minute that the market is open, and that information can affect how we feel about what the most likely scenario is. So while it's important to have conviction in your thesis, it's also important to be flexible, because often we will be wrong in this game, and admitting when we're wrong is vital to sustainability. Next up, we've got discipline, and this ties right in with being flexible. We've got to not only be able to admit when we're wrong, but then act on that and manage our risk, take our losses when we need to. And again, that is vital if you're going to be playing this game for the long term. Next up, you've got to be confident. It's sometimes tough when you are in a trade, you don't know what's going to happen. You've got people taking the other side of the trade that you're on. You need to believe in yourself. You need to see the trade through, and you've got to remain confident throughout, because if you're not confident, you won't be able to pull the trigger to get in initially. So next up, we've got the openness to embrace uncertainty. So despite how some people may act on the internet regarding trading, nobody knows what's going to happen. Nobody on the planet knows how anything's going to play out as far as a trade. So that uncertainty, if you're not at peace with it, it will eat you alive. It will keep you from entering trades. It will lead you to exit trades early. And in the end, we've just all got to accept that this is an uncertain game. There's nothing we can do to gain any sense of certainty. But what we can do is be certain about our risk management. And that's where we need to put our focus into. That's what we need to lean on, is that there is certainty in the game. It's what we're paying to find out if we're right. Whether or not we're right, we can never know, and that is how trading works. Last but certainly not least, every trader is going to need to be able to exercise patience, whether that be the patience to wait for your edge to present itself and hold off from taking trades just to take trades and get on the action, or whether it be the patience to let a trade that you're already in mature. We've got to exercise it from both sides of the spectrum. And this is vital for any trader to see long-term success in this game. Here at The Chart Guys, we've got tons of free resources to go over all of these concepts. On our YouTube channel, we've got a whole playlist dedicated to psychology, and we've got a slew of ebooks covering many of these topics. So check it on out as you look to bolster your weak points in your game in order to become a better trader.